I can feel an energy at the headwaters. I mean, it is a place where people have been inhabited for thousands of years. The San Marcos River brings people from all walks of life together. There are so many people coming to this town that it's really going to take every single person, whether they're local or a visitor or an outfitter, to do their part.
When I'm sitting on I-35, I have to remind myself that I am not in traffic, I am traffic. Basically, the impact that we're trying to mitigate is our own. The culture around this river is honestly very beautiful. The people that stay here want to be here for a reason, and that reason is flowing behind me.
There's definitely a river culture in San Marcos. There's a lot of community involvement with stewardship. I think it's everybody's job to be a steward. Anybody who comes out here, there's just so much work to be done.
There's so many individual groups that are working towards it. And so you have Smurf, you have the Eyes, you have SMGA, you have the Meadows Center.
From aquatic trash, trash on the land, bank stabilization, invasive fish removal, invasive plant removal. You know, if you love the river, then you love the Habitat Conservation Plan, because that's what's protecting the river.
The Habitat Conservation Plan is a very large plan amongst a lot of different stakeholders and permittees to protect this river. Most people won't notice. They see the river and they think, this place is amazing, why does anyone need to work on it? And it's because of that work.
19.9.
We're removing armored catfish and tilapia, which are two invasive species, as well as aquatic litter removal. The whole point of spearfishing is zero bycatch. We're trying to rebuild these native fish populations.
When you come to visit, or if you're a local and you enjoy this river, just know there's so much work being done behind the scenes to make sure that this place stays beautiful.
And all this is, it's habitat before it's recreation. And so for no other reason than that, we need to protect it.